Welcome back. Umesh Navani on the phone line with us. Umesh, hi. Go ahead. How can we help you?
Yeah, hi. I'm Umesh. I'm looking to buy a 2 BHK flat in Ahmedabad.
All right.
So if you can just guide me upon that.
Okay, you'd given us some of the locations that you prefer. Motera, basically. What do you think, Sameer? It's got good physical, social infrastructure. Good locality to go with, or
yeah, it's a good locality, but we like Bhopal a little bit more because of better infrastructure. Retail infrastructure is better, physical infrastructure is better, and the price points are roughly the same.
Okay.
So if you have the price points being the same, why not go with a better place? Is what our recommendation would be. So we've shortlisted South Bhopal for you. The inventory overhang is extremely safe, 10 odd months. Price appreciation has been about 21% over 2.5 years or 8.5% on an annualized basis. Weighted average price still affordable, 3,500 rupees for the mid segment. Projects are even more cheaper there that we've got for you. For example, Gala Aria, this is at 3,300. This project is a fresh construction project. Possession is already ready. So new project, ready project. It's by a reputed developer in Ahmedabad. It's 200 meters off SP Ring Road, and the project is close to South Bhopal Road, 3 kilometers from SG Highway. Bionori Park Ridge by Bionori Buildcon. This is a low-rise development project, G plus 5 stories. Again, the project's been ready since 2013. Standard amenities are there. That's one negative, but the developer has a good track record. Lastly, we have Dev 181. This is at 2,500 only. So very cheap project. Already ready at 2013. It's also a well-known developer. Project is 1 kilometer from SP Ring Road and is still available with the developer. That's amazing. That 2 years the project has been ready and still developer selling it at 2,500.
My goodness, that means it must have slowed down the market. Ahmedabad's always been a very, very end-user driven market.
High supply, end-user driven, not too much infrastructure going on for that city for prices to appreciate. It's like America, where prices just don't go up.
No, so there is very good infrastructure, and that's the reason why prices aren't going up. So too much infrastructure, it kind of, I was like, okay, no. So there is good infrastructure, and that's what everybody says. If you want affordable homes, just build roads. If people can travel from distances to the city center or business centers without any trouble, they will be willing to go out and buy affordable homes, and developers will also build affordable homes. So that's a quick summary of what you can buy in Ahmedabad. All right, what do we have next? We've got this email from Ravi Raj Shinde. He says, I've seen a 2 BHK project or apartment in Amrante project by Neil Siddhi Group in Kalamboli, Navi Mumbai. I'm working in Belapur and need to know if I should buy this project. Looking for property in a budget of 75 to 80 lakh rupees. You've always said it's a good market, Kalamboli, to buy into. And Neil Siddhi is again one of those developers who've done a good job of doing great projects in this area.
First of all, I'd like to say that, I don't think the viewers need us anymore.
I think so.
Everybody is just choosing the right
projects.
projects. I can't say no to anyone. It's bothering me now. I'll be out of a job soon. So Neil Siddhi is a good project again. We can't find anything wrong with it. Available in the resale market. Product's been ready since 2013. Phase 2 will come up soon with shops and daily routine needs are going to be available in phase 2. Kalamboli is a micro market that we like a lot. This project is trading at 52 to 5,400. Again, a good micro market in Navi Mumbai. Very safe inventory overhang in these bad points. That's a very important point to note. 17 months where I can't find a single micro market in Mumbai which is not gone beyond 24 months.
Absolutely. And that's a good figure. I mean, inventory overhang, just to tell all our viewers, is the rate at which sales happen in a particular city, isn't it?
Yeah, the velocity of sales,
and velocity of sales, absorption,
market.
all of that. But basically, it tells you that if you have a certain number of flats, or if you have one flat, it could take up to 17 months to sell that flat.
Yeah, absolutely. Weighted average price at 5750. Price appreciation decent, 10.5% on an annualized basis. You could look at these two other projects as well. Springfield by High Tech Ultra Homes in Roadpalli, Kalamboli at 5800. This is a standalone building of 17 stories. Project is 10 kilometers from CBD Belapur, which is one of the best CBDs of Navi Mumbai. Project will be coming up with basic amenities, although they have an indoor sports center. Avnish by Sai Developers is the last recommendation. Kalamboli, 5,400 rupees. It's a 12-story project with 4 odd towers, so a biggish project of 156 apartments. Location is very good and it's very near to Sion Panvel Highway. Kalamboli railway junction is also quite close by. The only negative that I find with Kharghar and Kalamboli is that they're not big townships over there. So you have to really do with small standalone buildings.
You're just getting very influenced by Panvel because you have Godrej and you have Lodhas and they're just creating these huge townships.
Yeah.
But if it's okay, Mumbaikars are used to small parcels of land. 2-3 acres is actually a good enough piece of land for them to build very good high rises with decent amenities.
Sure.
See, I'm vouching for Mumbai builders and developers.
You just did the real estate awards there.
No, we did, and they were so supportive. I must say, Mumbai developers were just so positive when they came for the NDTV Property Awards. And of course, to remind you that NDTV Property Awards are around the corner. The people who have won and have been, of course, rated as the most excellent projects, you can see all those winners receiving their award this Saturday and also on Sunday. The timing is on that flash sheet on the screen. Okay, next question. Didar Kaur on the phone line with us. Didar, hi, go ahead.
हेलो.
Go ahead, sir.
हाँ सर, मुझे 2 BHK चाहिए इसमें वेस्टर्न हाइट्स में, अंधेरी वेस्ट.
All right.
हेलो.
हाँ जी, 2 BHK Western Heights by Adani Group in Andheri West. You know, not a single person has asked us about a project of Adani Group. This is the first time.
Except in Gujarat.
Except in Gujarat, of course, not in Mumbai.
The real estate project,
in
a big
Ahmedabad
township.
We've had several questions, but Mumbai is an unusual question.
Yeah, so I think again it's a yes from our side. It's a large conglomerate.
Sameer, you have to get a little bit more picky.
What do I do?
Yeah, no, if it's a good project, we're not going to slam it.
Yeah, so I think that's what it is. We are very happy that our viewers are getting, they're looking at nuances of projects and coming out with fine projects. Again, Andheri West, a secondary micro market, not much to say about that micro market except that it's homeland to many Bollywood celebrities, and I haven't said that for many years. So Western Heights gets a go-ahead from our side. 2017 construction, it's in initial stages. It will be ready. The micro market, as I was mentioning earlier, in the Navi Mumbai query, inventory overhang is not good in Mumbai markets. 32 months here. Price appreciation slowed down a lot. It's about 12% on an annualized basis. Weighted average price is 16,500 rupees. So with this slowdown, many people keep on asking us, are the prices going to come down further? We anticipate the appreciation is going to slow down, but prices won't come down that much. Stadium View by Acme Group, again at 16,500, redevelopment project, standalone building, getting ready by 2017. There will be a mechanical parking system over here, and there will be wooden flooring in master bedrooms, basic features only. First 5 floors are for old tenants and rest are for new tenants. So that's something that you should be concerned about if they're really small type tenants. Sagar City, Indian Ocean, 16,000 rupees. This is a 10-acre project. So this you should look at very seriously, because Andheri West having a 10-acre project, gated community should be a big positive. And price point is not that different from the weighted average price of the market. Located on VP Road, Andheri West, and 500 meters from Bhavans College.
All right, very quick summary. Here you go. Stadium View by Acme Group, Sagar City, Indian Ocean, Sagar Builders, Andheri West, Mumbai, 2.25 crores. And of course, the Adani project also gets our go-ahead. And with that, we're going to close today's edition. Sameer, thank you very much for bringing us all the data and smart analysis, your questions, your suggestions, and when you write in with projects that you've done a lot of homework with, are all great additions to the show. So drop us an email or just call us, and thanks very much for joining us. Goodbye.